So I have this adorable little bustier, which I do wear over t-shirts, tops, blouses, or dresses, and I want to change it up. So it's going to be a DIY. I'm going to change it up with crochet since I know that's so in. I'm going to try to add some elements of the crochet in there and keep you updated. Okay, so basically, here's that little top that we have here, and I've crocheted something like this to keep it for its bottom, like that. And basically, yes, that's all it is. I'm doing now for the back because it has to be circular, and it's just looping on and just going from one section to the other as such. I'm going to finish off this row and it'll be good to go to just attach right on. That's it. Okay, so here's the final product. It's done. I had to put on the side as well because I wanted to make it a little bit larger. So I opened it up and crocheted a piece here. Here there's a zipper, so just to simulate the other side, I just crocheted that too. Really, really cute. And here goes the little spaghetti straps. Also have a detailing. So there you have it. Now I just have to have someone model it for me. Maybe I'll put it on, or one of my daughters. See you soon. Hey everybody. So here's that little vest that I crocheted. I mean, you saw how it was just plain blue. Well, now you see here on the zipper is where I crocheted, and on this side as well, and at the bottom, and right here on the little spaghetti straps. I paired it with this top because I love the sleeves. You know how much I love this. And these pants because they have that little lace in them, you know. And I thought that would be just a nice little touch. And that's it. Plus these cute little earrings that also match. And that's it. So there's a way that you can always dress up something that you have. It could be with crochet, so just add something to it and it could be fun. This top I could have also just put on the inside, but I like it like that too. That's it. Hope you liked it.